my name is Brian. I'm 54 years old. I'm from Vegas, baby. I've been working since I was about 14 years old. I started my first company when I was 21. Then I owned a body shop. I owned a nightclub. I was a pit boss. I mean, I've owned so many different companies in so many different genres. I just love the thrill of the whole thing. My wife, I'll be honest with you, at the beginning wasn't very happy with me starting another company, but she supports me and she's behind me 100%. Going through all the stages that we had to go through was probably the hardest thing I've ever done in my life. To be honest with you, we are not making a profit. And this is my actual opportunity for my retirement plan because my wife, she deserves everything. She's let me go and have my dreams, and my dreams are not cheap. So this is my only option. This is my last chance. This is my retirement.
Coming out right now is Brian. Come on, Brian.
Let's go, Brian. Rockpro.
Come on, Brian. All them damn tools over there, Brian. You got something going on, man. Where you from?
Las Vegas.
That's Vegas
Or we
in
like
the
to call
building.
it Lost Wages.
Woo!
Kansas City in the building.
100, man. Say hi to the 100.
Hi, 100.
Yeah, man. They're great folks, man. They're great. They're great folks, man. So, you know how this goes. You're going to pitch your product for 90 seconds.
Okay.
And the 100 is going to light those bars up, either green
Buy it.
or it's going to be red. Woo! Let's go, Brian. I'm going to tell you when to go. Your 90 seconds starts right now.
Have you ever been driving down the road, minding your own business, and out of nowhere, bang, a rock hits your windshield? Well, today there's a new product on the market that can actually fix a rock chip in your windshield in 10 minutes or less. Yes, I said 10 minutes or less. Introducing the Rockpro. Rockpro is a professional kit that anyone can use. Earlier today, I broke this windshield and fixed it and filled it, cured it, and now I'm going to show you the magic. We're going to go ahead and take this off, which is the plastic piece over the top. All you do is just scrape this down. And it's clear all the way through. Once you've done that, the Rockpro is the best system on the market. Fix it like a pro with Rockpro.
And we are back with another Buy It Now reaction video. For those of you who don't know, I am Dave, a 10-year intellectual property attorney dealing with everything from copyrights, trademarks, trade secrets, as well as patents. And hey, look at man, I was focused. I was zoned in on this thing. I have a few different cars, and one of the cars that I have, windshield was cracked, seemed like a rock, whatever the case may be, kind of chipped it. And as someone told me, hey, it doesn't get better over time. So it's continuing to crack, it's continuing to propagate. And the car is somewhat of an expensive car. So I'm like, man, I don't feel like taking this thing to the dealership because now I'm going to have to spend $1,000, whatever the case may be. These windshields are, they're a little bit more sophisticated these days. It's not like a piece of glass, just a piece of glass. There's a lot more going into it. So I know it's going to probably cost me at least a few hundreds, if not maybe $1,000 or so. So I am not looking forward to that. But it seems like your boy Brian maybe has something that can help me out, that being a Rockpro. Well, I'm interested to kind of hear more about it, the questions. It seems like the demonstration, I understood it. It seems like I have some more questions on it. So, but the three things plus the one thing that I look for, plus the bonus I look for is how simple is the product. He talked about 10 minutes. I'm not sure if I want to scrape the windshield for 4 or 5 minutes, but if it's going to save me a couple $100 or $1,000, then I may be bought into it. So I think we're good with the simplicity of it. Is it effective? Now, a lot of times with the effectiveness of a product, that's based on the sales as well as reviews. I would imagine that at least one of the panel members will ask them about the sales. And then what's the market like? And like I said, hey, cars are not going around, going out of style anytime soon. And we all been there where we're driving on a highway or a road and we get that chip from a rock or some flying object. And next thing you know, it goes from there. And if you can be able to kind of fix this thing yourself without spending hundreds, if not thousands of dollars, then the market is definitely there. There's not a whole lot of stuff out there. Now, the things that I do know that's out there is like these, companies that come and replace the whole windshield, and they do come to your job or your home or whatever to do it, so you don't have to go into a shop to do it. However, they're replacing the whole windshield, whereas it seems like Brian's device just kind of protects that particular area of it. So it'll be interesting. And then the last but not least, the bonus thing that I look for is, are you protecting the intellectual property? Now, as Brian was doing his pitch, I did see that he has a trademark for Rockpro. So shouts out to Brian for protecting it. Again, he has a repair kit that I think is interesting. So we'll see if he has a patent on it. We'll see if that comes up. I would imagine that he does, but hopefully that's confirmed here. So if you have kind of one or more of these, if you have all of them, that simplicity, the effectiveness, the market, as well as the IP protector, you have a rocket ship. But even if you only have one or two of them, you can still make a ton of money in doing these things. So, or with your business and whatnot. So those are some of my initial thoughts. Let's get back to the video. As I'm getting back to the video, please hit that like button for the YouTube algorithm, as well as hit that subscribe button to be a part of the IP community. I was out in Vegas doing street interviews on the Strip, downtown Vegas, Fremont Street. So go check that out on the channel, Everything Intellectual Property. In the meantime, let's get back to it and see. It looks like he's good as it relates to getting to the panel, which you need at least 10 green. He seems like he has 54. Let's see if he gets to the panel and ultimately onto the Buy It Now store. Let's go.
You got 79? That's a lot of green up there.
79, that's good
Vegas,
money.
baby. A lot of green.
Oh, yeah.
A few reds up there, a few doubters up there. They're probably bike riders. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
They probably ride
They probably,
bicycles.
yeah,
They probably ride-
motorcyclists,
or
you know, stuff like
skateboarders or
that.
something like
Yeah,
that.
something like that.
Yeah, see, they don't have no windshield.
Yeah, they got no windshield.
Let's dive in and see what people think.
Sure, let's do it.
I love diving in and see what people
Let's
think.
make
man.
it happen.
Okay, you in the middle right there.
If it grows larger than, say, like 2 inches, can Rockpro still fix it?
Yes, we can fix up to 3 inches.
That's
Great.
solid.
Thank you so much.
That's
No
solid.
problem.
Wow.
Get to it
I
while
want
small.
to ask somebody who has a red up. How about that?
Yeah, let's do that.
I think it's a really good idea. It's just so inexpensive to get a brand new windshield. I think that might be easier and maybe
How
more
much a brand new
effective in the
windshield
long run
cost?
because you don't really know how long that's going to last.
I'm gonna be honest with you. The nice thing about it is a resin base. So once you put the resin in, you're actually pulling the air out first. Then you're injecting the resin. What you see in the crack is trapped air. So once we get that out of the way, we put the resin in, it clears all the way up. And as far as it lasting a long time, once you cure it, it will never be uncured. So it is actually solid. from
Okay,
that
that's good
point
to
on.
know.
Here's the bottom line, Bryant. We got to know the price. That's going to motivate people to keep them greens up or to turn them greens to red, Bryant. That's how the show goes.
$20, $30.
And remember, you need 10 green lights to get in front of our panel.
$20,
I need to know what the
$30.
price is, Bryant.
Okay. Well, I'm going to be honest with you. You get everything you need to fix a windshield for the low price of $59.99.
Okay, let's see what happens, Brian. Wow. You got 79 right now. Okay, what's happening? What's happening? Brian, you're going up a little bit. Brian, you're going up, baby. Brian, you're going up.
Wow.
Brian, they're loving you, baby. Brian.
That's what I'm talking about.
Okay, we're going lock it in right now at 95.
Man, and that's interesting. As they were doing the talking, I was doing what is the average price of a windshield, and it's only $400 or $500. So again, $50. Obviously, if you can spend $50 and save $400, people are going to take that 9 times out of 10 or 10 times out of 10, I should say. It'll be interesting if you can reuse it, or if it's a one-time use thing, you have to buy it again if you get another crack or whatever the case may be. It will be helpful if you can use it on multiple areas of the windshield as cracks continue to pop up, as opposed to having to buy a new kit. Let's see if that's get answered. But again, it seems like there were some great questions. It went up from 79 to almost 95. So everybody besides 5 people love the product. And $59.99. I would have liked to see $30, $40, but $59.99 still seemed to be a bargain according to the audience. Now he has made it over to the panel members of 3. He needs 2 out of the 3 panel members to give him a thumbs up so that he can go into the Buy It Now store. So let's see if he can get those 2 out of the 3. It seems like according to the audience, I would imagine that the panel will also love the product. So let's see here. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section. Let's go.
Right.
I didn't know you had such a great audience, such a smart audience.
Of course, the one.
You guys are awesome. You're very intelligent. I'm going to be
This
honest
is
with you.
the amazing 100 right here. Let's go to the panel, man. 'cause
All right.
The bottom line is this, man. We want to get you in the Buy It Now store on Amazon. Okay, panel. I got Brian over here. What do you think?
How did you get to this price?
When we first started a long time ago, we started a lot lower and raised it up because people did not have a problem with it.
Lower
How
than
can you make
$58.
it? There's so much in here. No, I'm impressed with the price. Like, you get so many things in this box.
There's no other kit like it on the market.
So are the sales amazing?
Last year we did like 46,000, but I had no product last year because we just got it in at the towards the middle of last year. So now
$46,000?
yes,
Wow.
Wow.
for last year.
Interesting.
That was 0 advertising. We spent no money. We didn't have a lot of products, so we didn't spend any money on it. This year we've actually landed 10,000 units, and now we're ready to start really pushing it.
Is it really easy to use? Because when you open it, this is very complicated to me.
Okay.
I don't know how to fix windshields. It's not in my repertoire.
He's definitely
but,
not fixing windshields.
And you get a razor blade. That's a little scary. So is that a concern that maybe people at home really couldn't do this themselves?
I'll
Instructions,
make it really
baby.
simple. I have a video of a 4-year-old girl doing this. She's actually fixes a piece of glass.
She's 4?
At 4, yes.
All right, well then I'm embarrassed. All right.
If you could follow directions, this works every single time the exact same way.
I think it's a great product. To me, it was like the first aid kit for the car. I felt like I needed to have one. How much have you put into this business so far?
Me, I have about 80,000 of my own money in it. I own 2 patents on it.
There you
So
go,
I
baby.
patented the
Patents.
equipment, then I went out and patented the process.
Wow.
Yes. So I spent 5 years doing just that alone.
Oh, yeah, that's crazy work.
Did you raise any money?
Yes, I did. I raised about right around 200,000.
Okay. You need 2 of the panel to get you into the Buy It Now store on Amazon.
Damn.
Sounds good.
Let's go to Carmen.
Brian, I think everybody needs a first aid kit for their car. You've managed to create this at a really good price point, very affordable. I absolutely believe that your product belongs in the Buy It Now store.
Number one, he needs one more.
Thank you.
Jamie.
You know, Brian, I was torn on this one originally. There's the services that will fix your windshield. And so I was like, yeah. And then $59.99.
Crazy.
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 And it was like, this is the first aid kit for my car. And I would totally do that. And even if I just fixed it for a little while, just so I don't have to go to one of those places, and it just buys me some time. At the price point you're at, totally worth it. You got to be in the Buy It Now store.
He's in that thing.
That's your 2. That's your 2, but still always need that feedback for your product. Christian.
I mean, the audience loved it. Incredible. I think when they saw the price, they loved it even more. And I agree. I saw the price and I was like, even though I opened it and got very confused, very. So it's a little intimidating, but I think if you can figure this out, and you've really created something that I think is going to help a lot of people. And I think it's really great. So I think you deserve to be in the Buy It Now store.
3 for 3.
Brian, you're going into the Buy It Now store. You're going to roll the dice on that 20K, baby.
Man, shouts out to Brian. We're going to take a look at the website, but I did want to point out a few things. Talked about he had 2 patents, a process. One of the patents was on the process of fixing the car using this system. The other patent was on the actual, it seems like the apparatus. So shouts out to Brian for protecting the IP. Now, he said he had $80,000 into it personally. He had another $200,000 of raised money. So it seemed like he had just short of $300,000 into it. The $46,000 of, as of, I would imagine, 2024 did surprise me. I thought he would have had a lot more sales than that. But it's cool. It seems like he's onto the Buy It Now store. I do see the utility with this among the masses, rather. So I do think it's going to be good for that going forward. And then, look, man, as an IP attorney, I like to just listen and hear what people were saying in terms of kind of branding that they're putting on it. And it's something that you can kind of look to try to trademark and protect in different capacities. The first aid kit for the car, I like that. I like that phrase. It's a short phrase. It does qualify for trademark protection. That's something that if I were Brian, I would consider protecting that via a trademark. The first aid kit for your car or something along those lines. I like that. I think that has a ring to it, and seems like the panel members does as well. So let's go to the website here, see what the website is looking like before we get you guys up out of here. Fix It Now. So Rockpro, it is a trademark term. I will put the R in a circle at the end of Rockpro since it is a trademark term. You see he has the whole Buy It Now feature on there. So shouts out to him for that. $59.99. Man, it doesn't look like a whole lot. The guy on the right was making it seem like he was trying to give you a test to a calculus exam or some questions to a calculus exam. It's just a few different things on there. So I don't think it's a ton in there. That doesn't look overly complicated to me as I look at it, but maybe I'm in a minority. Seems like he has a video, 4-minute video. He talked about that, kind of teaches you how to do it. Seems pretty straightforward. Now, he did talk about having 2 patents. I typically would like to see those patents listed, whether it's patent pending or the issue patent number at the bottom of the website, just to kind of put people on notice that it is protected by way of patents. So that's the only thing that I would say. Yeah, man, these DIY projects or products are being more and more popular. So obviously this is a do-it-yourself project. The kid, he's protected it via a patent. So kudos to Brian for that. Seems like he has a lot of potential buyers in this thing. $400 or $500 window, brand new window, or do I pay $50 and kind of do it myself? I would imagine that a lot of people would do that again. I would imagine that a lot more people would do it if they can get multiple uses out of the thing as opposed to just a one-time use for every cracked windshield. So I thought that question would be answered, but it seems like nobody answered it, or at least it didn't make it to the final version. So yeah, shouts out to Brian. I had to reach out to Brian, try to get him on the podcast to kind of talk through his journey. It seems like, hey man, he has been through a lot to kind of land on Rockpro, the most recent product, which it seems like he has a winner here. So let me know what you guys think in the comment section. Please hit that like button for the YouTube algorithm. Please hit that subscribe button to be a part of the IP community. I will check you guys out on the next one. Peace.